The background looks great on you, Esther.
Thank you.
Everybody, this is Amtrak 784. We are going southbound to San Diego. Business class in the rear, coaches in the front and in the middle. All aboard.
Will do. So Danielle, where are we going again?
We're going chugga chugga choo choo all the way to the Grand Canyon.
So Danielle, where are we going today? Or tomorrow, really?
We're going to the Grand Canyon
And how in the heck are we getting there?
by chugga chugga choo chooing down the line.
I thought I told you not to say that. Well, this is...
I didn't listen. Cinder pretzel?
I'll have one in a sec. In short, we're taking the Amtrak number 4, the Southwest Chief, out to Flagstaff, where we're hopefully not going to freeze waiting for our bus. Weird Al is going to serenade us the whole way with another one rides the bus on the accordion, and we're going to the Grand Canyon. So, what could possibly go wrong?
Well, so far we're doing pretty good. Let's find out.
Or as my boss would say, don't answer that. Night, everyone.
Time to sleep our way to Arizona.
Thank you.
Is that
You too.
morning? Whatever it is.
That's what I was just going to say.
Time is relative.
Here you go. I'm going to go down and find some more real quick. Did you check if the lobby's open?
The laundry?
Lobby.
Oh, the lobby. No.
Might want to do that before everybody else snags a seat.
Rear doors closing. Can you guys move out back, please? Those of you that are standing, to the back, to the back, to the back. If you're standing, move to the back, please.
Don't get too close to the edge. Holy crap. So here we have a Danielle in their natural habitat filming.
Wildlife.
Oh, yeah.
Cool setup you got there.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, I got you.
See you later. So, obviously, given these enormous cliffs, you can see the Grand Canyon. But over there, you have this entire flat top that goes on for miles and miles with all this forestry and greenery. And I mean, when we came into the park, we were on a shuttle and that's all we could see. So you could drive on top of that for miles and miles and never even know that this is here.
Or remember the time that we were technically driving around the backside of the park when we were going to Zion, and it was like we only knew it was the backside of the Grand Canyon because usual maps told us.
Yeah, but it's insane to think that something this massive can seem so hidden.
Better one. Okay, take 2. So if you're strapped for time out here, my recommendation would be jump the red bus over by Maswick, cruise all the way, and I mean all the way out to Hermit's Rest. There's a little snack shop out there. The views are incredible. It's really nice. Then we've rode the bus back to Mojave Point, which is one of the, was it 2 or 3 two-way directions, and then just ride your way on back to there.
Is this part of the rim trail?
Yeah. You can, I think, cash, credit, or if you have like a transit card like we do.
Oh, okay.
I'd be willing to bet they
We don't have transit cards. Trust us.
Oh yeah.
flying in from Australia this morning. So.
Oh wow.
Welcome to the U.S. We apologize for the unpleasantness. What if we gotta come down? Hello.
Hi.
Terry.
We have two. We have tap cards.
Isaac, come here.
Alright.
The plan was we're going to come up here and go do something up here.
Cool. I mean, let's
There's
face.
a little park up here. That's cute.
Yeah, what I've always wanted to do is come here like later in the day and then film a time lapse of this running into the night. That would be so cool. Use it or lose it kind of thing. So there's been quite a few times where it's been shut down for maintenance and things like that. So it's kind of like I figure, hey, for the $2 round trip for both of us to do it, it helps show there's still demand for it. All right, we made it. See you guys later. I think our ride is here. Hello. Hello.
Got in early.
Fancy seeing you around these parts. How are you doing?
I'm good. It was pretty painless so far. Dude, I love Burbank. I literally got through everything in like 10 minutes. We're about to steal some views. Carmen San Diego out. Spirit Airlines, and you know, it could be anything from like just standard procedure to them just not giving a crap. Be like, okay, for your safety, just know that this airplane was built from scrap heap metal from like the other planes because, you know, we're cheap like that. The seats are really close together, so probably somebody's gonna get trampled to death if we try to get out of the aircraft. Just stuff like that. There's just like, this is what you paid for, folks. Have a nice day.
Welcome to Jerry Springer Airlines. Have a good one. Chant Jerry every time there's a fight. I still vote one of the best jokes during the safety announcement, like when the oxygen masks come down, is put the oxygen mask on your favorite kid first and then all the other ones after that, and I'm like, oh, that is just wrong but epic.
So mean.
Well, I mean, to be fair, you have to pick one because you can't, you know, you gotta do it.
I know, but it's just like, oh gosh, if any of the kids were paying attention to that announcement and something actually does happen, I'm the favorite! There's going to be a lot of family drama that happens because of that.
Don't worry, hypoxia kicks in real quick. They won't know what's going on. So Danielle, where the heck are we?
Allegedly, a lava tube.
Cool. Do you want me to go first and then film you coming in?
Sure.
We're gonna do this Nat Geo style. Oh.
Just be careful.
Oh my gosh, you guys cannot feel this on camera, but it's about like 30 degrees cooler right here.
There's like a nice breeze coming up through here.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, one thing I probably should have checked is, do we have a battery bank and a cable in there?
No.
Well, we're close enough to the car, I can run and grab one.
This is basically the middle.
Yeah, no, that doesn't, that gives a good impression of how big it is in here. At least that way I know.
Okay. Farewell, weary traveler.
Hopefully see you back at the car.
We shall meet again.
Oh no!
Don't do that. So he's going back down the stairs while I'm going to take the long way around and loop around the edge of the cauldron. So we'll link up.
Number 3, do not touch, pet, feed, snuggle, or even think about feeding the wildlife. I know you're thinking about it, don't think about it. It's because you are wearing a panda on your head.
Yeah.
So stop thinking about it. Number 4, we have a no trace left behind policy. So everything that you brought with you today, including hats, backpacks, sunglasses, actual glasses, cameras, children, boyfriends, husbands. Make sure they all get back on the shuttle with you at the end of the day. I know some of you just went, oh darn, do I have to take my husband back? Yes, you do, sweetie. Yes, you do. Over here to the left, this big beige beautiful contraption thing is our water bottle filling station. Please fill your water bottles before you head out. I do not want you passing out on the trails. That's a lot of paperwork for both you and I, but more importantly, me. I know I'm very important. Across the parking lot is the park store and the park cafe if you're looking to get a little stickity snack or a present for your loved ones or yourself if you are feeling selfish. Make sure you visit both.
Actually, do you mind filming me going up? It's already recording.
I'm gonna let him do it.
Okay.
Tom, do you want to do it?
Just tell me what to do.
It's already recording, so just keep me in the frame.
Sure.
If the screen goes black, just touch it and it'll turn back on.
Next, Tom?
No, I'm just gonna shoot him.
32 in all.
Okay.
He's shaking that arm. You're almost there.
He's just checking it out.
I'm gonna take a picture of her while she's in.
I got her.
You smile for the camera, guys.
And it'll just keep running, right?
Just keep running. I just
All right.
started around your neck.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Good to know.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for that.
No problem.
Wrap.
Is this what you were talking about?
Yes. Yes. For once, I'm going to say your superior cell phone is better in this situation.
Uh-huh.
But I figured it was worth it to just shoot a real quickie thoughts about once we got up here.
One of the couples that came down called it his and her bathroom.
Ooh, that's a view. Hi. You seem familiar. Woo.
Careful,
Yeah.
careful.
Definitely have to be careful. These steps get slippy. Sorry if we're also kind of slow going down.
No, it's okay. It's good to take your time.
Yeah. Especially for me who has a fear of heights, it's like,
Oh, it's great to be up here. We have a friend and we're like, keep thinking of her. She'd never make it up here.
I told myself I will attempt it, and if I can't, go back down.
There you go. That's right.
What did I just do, Danielle?
Had an adventure?
I did a hard thing.
Did a hard thing. Certain school officials would be so proud.
Don't even mention them right now. They do not deserve any enjoyment from this whatsoever. Yeah.
Like,
Not pushing yourself to do things you normally wouldn't do
like,
in a positive way.
why?
Hey Carmen, what the heck are we doing in a mall parking lot at like 3:30 in the morning?
We are catching a lift to the Balloon Fiesta.
Oh boy, what am I doing with my life? So I guess we're not the only ones that are in on this.
Nope.
Good morning, Mr. Shando. I don't know.
It's fine.
We'll get somewhere someday. Me too.
Okay.
Wow.
The last road I saw was Santa Fe Trail and Gravel Road. Good morning.
Morning.
What's the best way for him to get in here?
I'm back.
You're alive.
I'm alive. Sorry it took so long.
Did you get a military truck to pull you guys out?
Not necessarily so. Story goes, we landed on one of the Indian reservations, right? We weren't the only balloon that landed there. There were quite a few other balloons. And the way that they were doing it is that the reservation patrol was escorting a balloon crew one at a time. So our balloon vehicle, our chaser vehicle, was basically stuck in a line behind a bunch of other crews for a long time. So once they finally got in, they loaded up the balloon, and then they were gonna, like, you know, turn around to try to load up the basket, and the car got stuck. So then they made some calls, and actually the Sundance team came out and helped pull the vehicle out.
Oh, you mean the friendly Canadian?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.